Google recently launched the Gemini Omni Flash a couple of weeks ago, probably a month from now. But there are many claims around it, and I'm trying to find out, will it be one of those useless subscriptions or will it be better? Because compared to the sedans and the Kling 3.0, this is supposed to be far cheaper and less credit intensive than the other models. Because I've got some crazy idea and I want to test it out with the Omni Flash. It's supposed to be cheaper, even though the duration is just 10 seconds compared to the Kling and the sedans, which pushes the limit to 15 seconds. It's still a little bit, but I've got some crazy ideas I want to test out with the Google Omni Flash. And will it be worth the subscription, or should I stick to the other capital credit intensive model? Well, today we're going to find out, we're going to test out and see what limits can we actually go. Well, join me as I test it on the Flash because I've got some crazy mind ideas and I want you to be a part of the test. Let's go see how it is, shall we? Stay with me. I've got some crazy mind ideas because of what the Google Omni Flash claims to do. It says you can shoot a video and literally put the video on the model and is able to edit the video. Now, I have an idea for a movie scene I've been trying to replicate for a while now, but it's quite expensive to keep its rating because of the credit users and everything. But with this model, I think I may be dropping my Kling subscription if this works. Stay with me now. This is a concept. I see a scene on the television. I reach out for my television. I touch the screen and suddenly I'm drawn into the screen. I'm trapped inside television and I'm banging the TV to be let out. Now, the problem is not the scene. The problem is the effect. The effect is I'm supposed to touch the screen and the screen should shimmer. I'm going into a different dimension. It's possible with the Kling and with the sedans, but it's credit intensive. With the Omni Flash, it should be cheaper. Even though it's 10 seconds, but at least I'm able to get something through. Now, let's see if this works, because I may be dropping my other subscriptions for this. Let's try it. Okay, so I'm on my screen now to really test the Gemini Omni Flash and to really confirm, does it really worth the hype? Or should I just scrap it, forget about it? Or will this be worth the subscription? Because if this thing works out the way I have imagined it, I may be dropping my Kling subscription and my Sedan subscription. Even though you could get Sedans and Kling, but it's credit intensive. But nevertheless, get to the dashboard and work this out, okay? Because I'm really, really excited to see the limits we could push the Gemini Omni Flash. Oh, so see, it said you are generating with the Gemini Omni Flash, and just to give you some bit of context, I'm using the free plan, which should give me roughly 50 credits. That should be enough for the test. Will it be worth the subscription? Is it really worth the hype? Let's find and see. Okay, so our latest video model, try creating 10 seconds clip, adding audio, image reference, or editing a video into a new style. My main focus is editing video into a new style. This is going to be awesome because I'm excited to see what it can do. Cutting my videos down here to test to see, will it be worth it? Found the upload. I'm going to upload the video here. Don't forget the concept I have. I want to be able to touch the screen. The screen should shimmer and draw me into the screen, and I get trapped in the screen. Banging. That should be 10 seconds max. And let's see if the Omni Flash is able to pull this concept. The idea isn't just the pulling, even if the pulling is there, Most of the models do not tend to iterate, keep prompting over and over again, and that's credit intensive. But with the Omni Flash, it says you could use natural English language and it should understand it. True? Let's find it and see. So this is the scene right here. I reach out to the screen, touch the screen, and I should get drawn in. I should get drawn in and get trapped in there. Now let's prompt this. Let's prompt this. I should be able to animate this scene. Let's see. Add to prompt. Okay. Now that's the prompt there. So remember they said I could use. Let me confirm I'm in the Omni Flash first of all. Yes, I'm in the Omni Flash. Okay. This should cost 20 credits for 8 seconds in length. That's good enough compared to using the Kling with the seeded option. Trust me, you will not get it for 20 credits. You will not get it for 20 credits. It's so intensive. You could literally spend almost 200 credits for it. Yes, I bet you, I kid you not. But with 20 credits for 8 seconds, that should work. And that is quite affordable. Well, I hope they don't say this because when they bring out a new model, they tend to bring the price down. And suddenly, when they see people are drawn towards it, they jack up the price. Just like Grok. Grok Animate came out as a free model. People rushed to it. And when the guy saw that he was making good, he had good users, he made it premium and put some price tag on it. But with the Omni Flash, 20 credits, it's affordable in a way and it's quite sensible. But let's see, will it actually do what I want to do? So now I'm gonna prompt it like I said, a human should, a human speech. Okay. So I say the man walks slowly towards the television, finger cross. Failed. Failed. Related to minor. I think it's the minor image in the movie. What can we do now? Okay, let's reuse the prompt and see how we can do that. The man walking slowly towards the movie scene in the television. He touches the screen shimmering with the portal. That's open, suddenly it pulls in the screen, it's trapped in, blah, 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 blah. Let's see if this would realize this is a movie scene and not really a minor. Well, let's try and see, okay? Moment of truth. So I'm still getting the same minor related problem, probably because it's scanning the scene of the television and it's seeing the minor. So what I did was to edit the video and probably blur the image of the minor. I'm gonna upload a new scene. Probably it would scale through because that's the problem right now for me. It's unable to know it's a movie scene. That's the first problem. I'm still getting the content related minor problem. It's unable to tell it's just a movie, but that's not a problem. That is a problem. Or is it a problem for me? Well, so I decided to blur the image of the minor and I'm going to still get this prompted using the same prompt. Then I'm going to, let's see, use some 20 credits for 8 seconds video. The flash is selected here. The other models here, but I'm sure if I should click on the view 3.1, it's unable to. You can see this unavailable video here because those models are not for editing a video itself. So I'm gonna switch back to the Omni Flash. Oops, something went wrong. Come on, man. I had faith in this. Okay, let's try again. Something went wrong again. What's happening, man? This isn't what I was promised. Great. Freaking great. Let's try again. Once one more time. for the sake of trial. Let me get the prompt back here. Let me try the second video. Probably because the screen is blurred. Maybe I'm trying to give it the benefit of the doubt. So we're going to try the next movie scene, which is the Lego, and we'll still prompt the same way. But in this case, we're going to change the prompt for me to be transformed into a Lego character when I get transported into the television. Okay, right now I have for the Lego. We'll add the Lego to the prompt as usual. Add the prompt. I'm gonna prompt this. Hooks in television, touch the screen, show me football, blah blah blah. Who's man to the screen? It's trapped. He is first. He is transformed into a Lego character. Let's see. Hopefully, I won't get any problem with this. Fingers crossed. Not again. Not again. Not again. Not again. Something went wrong. And the problem is, they gave no clue as to what went wrong. I'm going to give it just one more try, and I think I would literally not draw a conclusion. I will let you decide. What the hell is this? Because now I'm stuck with clean for now, because totally bullshit. Oh, failed, 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 failed. I just can't deal with this. I just can't deal with this. Should I give it a prompt instead of natural language? Because the claim was natural language. And if it cannot handle that, what else can't it handle? Okay, let's try it. Let's for the sake of benefits, we will try a prompt. I've gotten a prompt, the same scenario, but in a prompt-like prompt, whatever it is. I want to paste it here and see if it's able to get me what I want, because this would be this would revolutionize the way I create content, because I've got some mad ideas and I've I want a model that can really, really capture the essence of the movie. Because if I'm still talking and I see this, come on, man. I think that's us it. That's us it. That's freaking it. Okay. I think maybe we'll wait for when there's an update with the model or something. But for now, this is totally bullshit because I cannot literally deal with this. My screen is literally filled with failed prompts, failed projects. This is totally insane. Please do like, share, subscribe, and give me a comment below what you think about this model, because apparently it's literally not doing what it claims it should do. Am I doing it wrong? If you think I'm doing it wrong, or if you think there's a way around this, or if you think there's something I'm not really doing properly, please leave a comment down there and let's drop mine, because this is totally bullshit.